The passenger train service of Chinese-built Mumbai-Neروبی standard gauge railway has been lauded by Kenya people for bringing convenience, technologies, and job opportunities.
A nice means of transport. I've used it once from Mombasa to Nairobi, and it was somewhat inefficient, enjoyable, especially when we were traveling. Everything was okay, and on the cost of transport was somehow reliable, cheap compared to, let's say, the other means of transport.
SGR naona ni mzuri, inatusaidia sana, ni haraka kwenda Mombasa, it's safe, ina safety mingi sana, na tena ni comfortable.
For me, the SGR is doing very wonderful. We used to travel from Mombasa when doing business to Nairobi and the floor like 10 hours to 12 hours. And at the moment, SGR is excellent because we are able to take like maximum 5 hours. They have computerized systems. You are able to book anywhere you have. So for me, I feel the SGR is the best mode of transport to use with the improved technology and very efficient. And also, when it comes to the construction technology, the Chinese government has done very wonderful because we have seen a state of art, one of a kind, railway construction system. They have also employed a lot of engineers, a lot of construction guys, a lot of staff who are operating the facility. And we are happy about the project. It's one of a kind project.
Demand for the passenger train service has been on the rise since it was launched in 2017. According to the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics, passenger traffic surged 20.1% in 2022, with the trains ferrying 2.39 million people during the period, up from 1.99 million in 2021.